Hello everyone, we got ourselves a brand new bike to the floor, 2024 Breakout. This color is Billiard Gray. We'll start in the front, work our way to the back. We got a 21-inch wheel up front, LED headlight comes factory. That really cool paint job. I love the little scallops on there. These come with a 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. Got the hand adjustable shock right there on the outside. Coming up on top, you do have ABS, security, and cruise control, and there's your cruise control button. Very simple gauge, but it gives you a ton of information. Traction control as well. So in the gauge, if we turn this old rascal on, we have your gear indicator in the corner here, your mile per hour, fuel gauge, has remaining miles to empty, focus, total mileage, trip A, trip B, then you're back to your remaining miles, a clock, and then also an RPM gauge. So it has a ton of information. Then you got the information down here at the bottom as well. Coming around to the back side, you got that big old tire on the breakouts, the 240 mil. Gives it that iconic stretched out with a big wheel in the back look. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Belp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.